Today I wanted to share with you a company called Vivoo. Vivoo provides at-home urine test strips for nutrition and lifestyle advice based on your body's needs. Vivoo helps track your hydration level, pH level, ketones, and much more. So if you're someone that's looking to make healthier decisions, I think Vivoo offers a great service that can help you understand your body better. First of all, when you order your product, it comes in no time at all. And when you get it, it just comes in this sleek kit. When you receive this product, it will come with the packaging, your test kits, and also the instructions on what to do with it. After you do that, all you need to do is download the app to your phone and also create an account. After you create an account, you can also go through the process of giving Vivoo access to your other health information that is already tracked on your cell phone. You can give it your body data, your sleep data, and your heart rate, and this will just allow the device to give you a more accurate reading and also more accurate advice when it comes to your nutrition and your lifestyle. Now, when it comes to using the test strips to get your results from your first urine sample, it's really simple to use, and it will actually give you the directions right on the app to tell you exactly what you do. When you're ready to try your first test, all you have to do is take one of these packages and tear open it when you're ready to use it. Then you will take out the test strip and you'll urinate on it. It's really that simple, and then you have to wait an allotted time. The package I have to wait 90 seconds before I can scan it, and all you have to do is take out your phone and it will open up your camera app, and then you have to take a picture of the test strip. After you do that, the data will process and you will get your results. The test that came back today, I received a 6.8 out of 10. That is my wellness score. And then it will give you all the details of how it came to that conclusion. So the first category is water. So I am dehydrated today, it says, and it's been like 90 all week, so it's not surprising that I'm like probably dehydrated and haven't drank enough water. So that is a little low for me right now. The next category is my pH levels, which mine says I'm a little acidic. So if you don't know what that means, if you're like, I don't know what pH means and I don't know what the acidic level means, you just click into it, and then it's going to give you more details about it. So it says urine pH carries valuable information about how your diet is affecting your body. Then it will give you your monthly overall results, and you can switch it to year results if you want more data, if you've been tracking your urine for a while. The great thing about this app is literally right below your results. It tells you what you can do about it to improve your results, and it's simple. It's literally like eat more raspberries. So you have a more acidic urine pH than normal. Alkalizing foods such as raspberries always work. Make your snack colorful with raspberries this week. And so not only does it tell me the areas that I have a deficit in and I could need improvement in, but then it also tells me what I can do about it. It can sync to my calendar on my phone, and so I can literally put the day I'm going to start eating raspberries. It will already set the reminder in my phone, so now I know throughout my week, like, hey, I gotta eat raspberries to improve this level. If I go out and eat some raspberries right after I take this test, I can also just hit complete, and then it will let the app know that I have taken action on this advice. Or if for whatever reason you can't eat raspberries, they don't grow in your area, you are allergic to them, you can just hit can't do, and it will give you options to choose from, like I have a medical condition for this, I don't like the food suggested, or remind me later. So if you select any one of these, like I don't like the food suggested, and hit done, it will give me different ideas of what I can do, a different food that I can eat to still achieve the same result. Today my data says that my protein level is a 10 out of 10, and that is great. So there are a bunch of different categories that you can get insight on, like your ketone levels, your oxidative stress, your salinity, and much more. There's a bunch of different categories that you can look into and understand more about yourself. And I also really love that they have an app instead of a desktop version, because not that many people go on their computer to do stuff. Everyone's on their phone though, so it makes it really convenient. It's just easy to integrate into your normal everyday activities. So if you're looking to learn more about your body, I feel like Vivoo offers a great solution for that. It's very simple to use, you get quick results, and you also get recommendations on what to do with those analytics. If you're interested in checking out Vivoo, I will put a link in the description below. It's a great way to learn more about who you are, what makes you tick, and what solutions you can do to improve your health. Honestly, if you're someone that is into fitness, health, your well-being, you want to pee on some sticks, this is the kit for you. I'll see you in another video. If you guys are looking for the full version, then check out my OnlyFans page. I'm just kidding. What? No, don't say that. I think I'm gonna make my wife try it because I enjoyed seeing my results, and my wife I know will enjoy it as well, so I'm gonna make her download an app and pee on it, and then I can ridicule her for all the areas she's weak in.